Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope you're all having a great Saturday and a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is from. Okay, well, this is going to be a different kind of a video. Hang on. Okay, this is from a company that contacted me and asked me to do a review for them. The name of the company is Floryfab, Floryfab, and they sell kitchen utensils. They sell everything. I don't think they sell silverware, but you know what I mean. So I picked out a few projects and let's get started. So the first thing I have here, and I thought it was a really good idea, especially if you do a lot of barbecuing or cooking as far as that goes. Let me get it out of here. This is, it's an oil or a barbecue brush. And I had one of these. I have no idea what happened to it or where it went. You know, I barely got to use it. But it has a little container, and that way the brush goes up. Well, I don't think that's going to come out of there. Maybe it will, maybe nope, it's not going to come out. So it stays attached and it snaps on. So everything stays inside. So when you take it outside to use it, like to put barbecue sauce on chicken ribs, whatever it is you're cooking, then it all stays closed and you don't get bugs in it. I always hate that. You know, you come out there with a little bowl and you set it down. Well, you know, you're going to need it later. So it's all exposed. I hate that. So this, you can put your barbecue sauce or your butter or whatever in it and close it down, and that way you can set it aside and wait and use it later. So this was $3.19, and I thought it was a really good deal. It comes with a nice, I guess that's silicone, and it's very easy to clean. There's only 2 parts here. So yeah, I thought I could use that. And you could also use it inside, you know, put your oil in there or your butter after it's melted. I don't know that this is, what do you call it, microwave safe. You'd have to look in the description. So I'm not real sure about that. So yeah. So the next thing I got was an herb cutter. And where is it? It says colored greens knife, but you can cut herbs and stuff up with it. It was $4.30, and it's very heavy. Very heavy. Oh, it's got, we're just gonna do this because, oh, I was gonna say it wasn't gonna come out of there. It does have a guard, so it protects the knife, and that's very sharp. And you can put have something to hang on to and just chop. Let me go up a little bit just so we can see, you know, and it fits very nice, but it is fairly heavy. And then when you got it all cleaned, you can put your knife guard back on to protect it, so when you put it in your drawer. But this is heavy. I can't get over it. I don't know if it'll say, but dang, it's pretty heavy. And it shows you instructions on how to use it and that kind of thing. Every once in a while I have things that I need to cut up a lot finer, and I wanted a better knife because, you know, sometimes I get in that mood and I cook and cook and, you know, but it's kind of like my cross stitching. What can I say? So I'm just going to leave that box there. And this I thought would come in handy. Now let me see. it's going to seal the bag. You open it up, and it does, I'm looking at it upside down. It does take 2 batteries. Does it come with batteries? Let me see. Whoa. Nope, it takes 2 AA batteries in there. And it's just a nice little tiny gadget. And what it does is it vacuum seals your packages. So that, oh, I see. That goes up so it's not using up batteries all the time. But you just put your, oh gosh, I just got rid of that, didn't I? Dagnabbit. Here, we'll use this. Put your thing in between and you just slide it and it will heat it up and seal your package. So that is so cool. I always wanted one of those because I have chips all the time, and you know, it's like crunch it all down. But if you could just cut out part of it and just heat seal it, it would be awesome. So it'll work on any size bag, you know, as far as that goes. And it was $2.56. So that is too cool for school. I think it's just a heat sealer. I don't think it's a vacuum where it sucks it out. It doesn't. It doesn't say. But yeah, so that's a handy little thing. And then when you go to store it, just put it like that and put it in your drawer. And then when you go to use it again, and it does have a magnet. Is that a magnet? Well, I thought maybe that was a magnet. No, it's not sticking to anything. Oh well, I tried. But cool. Yeah, I will definitely use that this summer and all the other times. Then I got one of these, and this is kind of like a, I don't have a pan to show you either. I'm really prepared for this. But I was excited, you know. These products are very inexpensive, and, you know, so, yeah. And this is like, oh, sorry, I had an itch. What is it called? They call it an Erasive Sponge, but you use it on pots and pans to take, hang on just a second, let me see if I can find something. All right, so you use it where there's, I don't know if you get that wet or not. Like you have, oh man, I'm terrible at explaining this. Like, you know how you get grease built up on the metal part? I bought this to specifically use on my, I have a Paul Revere pan, and it's got stainless at the top, and then, you know, the copper on the bottom, but sometimes the stainless gets, so I think it'll work. You just have to wet it. Be right back. All right, sorry about that. So yeah, and I think I would wet that first, you know, and wet the pan, you know, so you could use it like in the sink. But it's very abrasive, so it's not something you're going to use on anything else other than metal. So I thought that was pretty cool for $1.86. I mean, what the heck? We can give it a try, and it's nice and thick, so we'll try that out. Then I have cookie sheets, but I've always wanted one of those, is it silicone? Yeah, the silicone pads. So that's what this is for. This is a baking It's a two-sided silicone mat. Hang on. It's stuck on the inside. Dagnabbit. So I'm assuming you could put your cookies on here. And I don't know, do you have to put it on a pan? See, I've never used silicone. I've just seen it. I've never even been in restaurants where they used the silicone things to cook with. So yeah, I thought I would give that a try out. And this was $4.72. And you can use both sides. So yeah. I thought maybe it'd work for a pizza, you know. You could lay it down on your, I hope it's going to fit in my, I have a huge toaster oven. So, yeah. We will see how that works. But yeah, I've always wanted one of these, so we might as well try it out. And I'm sure it's very washable. It has holes in it. Whoa, that's not gonna work. Sorry, guys. I was like, whoa. But yeah, it's got holes in it, like in the middle part, but it's solid right, you know, around the edges. So next time I cook a pizza, I will use this and see if it works without using, you know, usually I just lay it on the rack, you know, the pizza, but I thought if I could just roll that out and then just put the pizza on it, or you can make a pizza and put it on it. I don't know. I've never done that. Anybody got anything there? And the last thing that I got, I've wanted for a very long time. I've seen it on several cooking channels on YouTube and other places on the internet. But it's one of those strainers that you put onto the pan, and then you just tip the pan and it has your straining. Because I'm the crazy with the, okay, you know, we're going to do this old school, right? So you got a pan, you got the lid, which I never have a lid. I always have like a plate, and it's one of my stoneware plates, right? So you put the plate on top and you put on a towel and you move the plate back just a little bit, and then you go to drain it in the pan, and it must weigh 55 pounds. But if I could put this on it and strain things, I think it would be wonderful. Yep. I'm looking forward to using that for like mac and cheese and other things that I cook. Yeah. So that is all I got from Floryfab. They have lots of baking accessories. They have lots of silicone things. They have silicone things for your air fryers. They have all kinds of like cookie cutters and just a wide array of kitchen tools, accessories, you know, that kind of thing. So do check them out. They're having a special. You buy 5, you get 5% off. You buy 10, you get 10% off. And if you buy 15 items, you get 20% off. So do check them out. And I don't know if I'll ever do another review for them or not, but, you know, stay tuned. Stuff happens. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.